6 weeks of touring Canada, it was finally time to go back to the US.
My face above the water, my feet can't touch the ground, and it feels like I can see the sands on the horizon every time you are not around. I'm slowly drifting away, wave after wave, wave after wave. I'm slowly drifting, and it feels like I'm drowning, pulling against the stream.
One of the things we wanted to do in Seattle was go to the Boeing factory. Unfortunately, we weren't allowed to film inside, but it was pretty awesome.
Our next stop on our road trip was to Mount Rainier National Park in Washington. This is an awesome park that has the highest volcano in continental USA. Unfortunately, due to the cloud cover, we couldn't see the top of Mount Rainier.
After 3 weeks of exploring Washington State, we decided to drive to Oregon.
Yeah.
That's bad, Dad.
After a 12-hour drive, we arrived in California.
Wave after wave, wave after wave, I'm slowly drifting, drifting away. And it feels like I'm drowning, pulling against the stream, pulling against the